What does natural really mean?
Natural supplements are often marketed as safer alternatives simply because their ingredients come from plants, herbs, or other sources found in nature. However, the term natural isn't strictly regulated and doesn't guarantee a product is pure, effective, or safe. Understanding what natural means on a supplement label is the first step in making an informed choice.
Are natural supplements automatically safe?
Many people assume natural supplements are low risk, but this isn't always true. Natural substances can interact with medications, cause side effects, or even be toxic in high doses. Just because something comes from nature doesn't mean it's harmless. Think about poisonous plants like hemlock. Safety depends more on dosage, individual health factors, and product quality than the term natural.
Marketing versus science.
Natural is a powerful marketing word. Companies often use it to appeal to health-conscious consumers, but it doesn't guarantee thorough testing or proven safety. Unlike medications, supplements are not required to undergo the same level of scrutiny from regulatory agencies before being sold. Always question claims and look for scientific evidence supporting a supplement's benefits and safety.
Common risks to watch out for.
Risks with natural supplements can include allergic reactions, contamination, inaccurate labeling, and dangerous interactions with other medicines. Some herbal supplements can impact blood pressure, liver function, or worsen chronic conditions. The lack of strict regulation means some products may contain unlisted ingredients or variable dosages. Consulting healthcare providers before adding any supplement is key.
Making safe choices.
If you choose to use natural supplements, do your research. Look for brands that verify their products through independent testing or certifications. Pay attention to dosage, possible side effects, and interactions with your existing medications. Remember, being natural does not automatically equal being safe, so talk to a healthcare professional for personalized advice.